Hey guys, this is your girl, Ashara Nelson, also known as a Savvy Girl Money. Happy Monday, happy Monday. I'm starting a new segment on my channel called Money Mondays with Savvy Girl Money. I want to bring you a video every Monday. My biggest issue, which I am trying to work through, is just being consistent. I love YouTubing, but I'm having a hard time of being consistent on this platform. So I'm trying to do better. My first topic on Money Monday is my money no-nos. I have standards in my life. I don't just go around life just living it up, but I have standards and you should too. So of course my money is going to have standards too. My first of my 5 money no-nos is my top one, which is to never co-sign on someone else's loan. And I mean never. Only exception that I will give is my husband, but it definitely took him becoming my husband before I ever even considered it. Because before that, he was my long-time boyfriend, best friend, in a whole wide world. But you cannot get me before putting a ring on it to co-sign on a loan. I just was not doing it. I can't. Just don't put yourself in a financial bind like that. It's not worth it, and you will definitely lose the relationship by mixing the relationship and business. Just don't do it, guys. Don't do it. Number 2 is to never borrow money from your 401k. I don't care what type of retirement plan you have, that goes for all retirement plans. Do not borrow against it. It's like taking from your future. That money is for your future self to live off of. Don't make temporary sacrifices that's going to jeopardize your future. Just do not do it. Number 3, don't take breaks from contributing to your retirement account. No breaks. You get a lunch break every day, but you do not get a break from contributing to your retirement account. Let's say, for instance, you're currently contributing like 10%, and because of life's event, you need to go down to 5. In my opinion, that's okay. So reducing your percentage of contribution is okay, but taking a break on contributing altogether is just not okay, guys. No taking breaks and contributing to your retirement. Again, you're robbing from your future self. Number 4. This is a big one, especially in our social world that we live in. Don't try to keep up with the Joneses. I just cannot do it. I cannot do it. I don't have the energy or the time or the finances, honestly. I don't have time for it. And you should not either. Just let the Joneses stay out on that island alone. Focus on your financial goals and your financial future. And my 5th money no-no is do not take out a personal loan to repay your debt. I get so many advertisements from Credit Karma, even my freaking mortgage company, which is Quicken Loans, to take out a personal loan to pay off my debt. Honestly, I don't even have that much debt left. I have like a little credit card for around $2,000 and my auto loan. Never, I don't care how much you have, never use debt to pay off debt. It's just not going to be worth it. It's probably going to be more of a headache than anything. Don't do it. It's just just sound like a tornado, a storm of a mess. No, no, no. So guys, I just gave you my 5 money no-nos. If you have not done so, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and go follow my page on Instagram at Savvy Girl Money. See you guys again next Monday.